What's going on YouTube? It's been like a month. Actually the last video that you saw, put the bubbles down, goofball. Last video I posted like a week ago, but I actually filmed it like a month or two ago. Honestly, I've just been really busy with work. As you know, every place we're very short staffed and it is what it is. But anyway, today we're gonna talk about old Dusty over here. I'd never really wanted to make this video or planned to make this video, but it's just something that happened and it is what it is. So give me 1 second, and he wants to blow some bubbles, so I'll get right back with you guys. All right, now blow some. I don't even know if the camera picked them up. Yep, you can see them.
Hi. I'm done.
You're done?
Yes. Hello.
Okay. Anyway, so I had a lot of plans for this thing. I mean, a lot, and there were actually multiple phases to what I wanted to do. But you know, life happens and I have other plans now. So this is for sale. I'm only gonna have it for sale for like a month or two, if that, and then I'm gonna take it to the junkyard because well, it's not honestly worth that much money, especially now that I cut the fenders, all except for that rear one back there, but the other three are cut. This one already has a fender on it, or yeah, anyway, I'm taking that off. If I sell it, it'll come on the other wheels. It'll come on those ones, not the ESRs. I'm keeping those. But yeah, I mean, I'll try to sell it for, like I said, a month or two, and then part it out. If anyone wants parts. Yes, there was a cat in here. And then it'll go to the junkyard. Like I said, fenders are cut, so they're not worth nothing. Hood's good. The front bumper is kind of good. It won't come with the pods. It will come with the Eagle. What are they called? Eagle eyes or whatever. I don't even remember what they're called. Not the pods. The bumper is cut though for the wide body, but it'll still probably work if you don't have a wide body. Excuse me. Yeah, any parts you guys want, let me know. Or if you want the whole car, let me know. Clean title in my hand. It runs, just needs the battery charged. The only thing that it needs is rear driver side brake work. I think it's just a wheel cylinder, but I'm not 100% sure. I never dug into it or anything, but it will drive the way it is. And the e-brake doesn't work because it's disconnected. But anyway, that's pretty much that. So I mean, this dude's 11 now, and it's always been one of my things to build a car with my kid and also my dad. And honestly, this car just isn't it. It's front wheel drive, 4-cylinder, yada yada yada. We want to go older, V8 rear wheel drive, you know, muscle car. So this has to go. As you can see, this is all the room I have. This is in the way. It's got to go. So make me an offer, or tell me what parts you want. Like I said, month or two, and then it's gone. It'll go to the junkyard. I don't even care. So snag the parts while you can. Like I said, the front bumper is still usable. All the doors, like I said, I don't have much room here, but these doors are good. Nothing wrong with them at all. I don't even think there's a scratch on them, but anyway, trunk's good. On this side, like I said, I cut this, so that's not really any good anymore, and I wouldn't take that off anyway. This door has dents right there. I don't even know if you guys can see them. That front door is good. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. Anyway, The rear bumper and the bumper lip that I have on it, I believe are spoken for already, but I will find out soon. This is the xenon rear lip that they don't make anymore, as well as that front bumper. That's a xenon. Don't make those anymore. So I mean, if you want some rare parts, definitely hit me up. I'll get rid of them. Taillights are good. Headlights are good. Like I said, anything you guys want, let me know. I'd prefer to sell the whole car because it'll get gone a lot faster and I can move on a lot faster. But if it doesn't sell, like I said, month or two, it'll go to the junkyard. I know I've said that a million times, but I will take it to the junkyard. I know I'll get at least $300 out of the junkyard, so whatever. If, like I said, you want the whole car, it'll probably be, the lowest I'll go is 800 on it. I know, like I said, the fenders are cut, but it has Raceland coilovers on it that are literally brand new. That's $300 right there, so, you know. And, I mean, honestly, for the right price, I'll let the ESRs go too. And those adapters over there, for the right price, obviously. So, those are the ESRs. And here's the adapters. I don't really these I don't really need. Those I have another idea for. But, yeah, I'll sell it. I don't care. I think that's about it. Yeah. What do you think?
I like working on it.
What?
I said I like working on it, but it has to go.
Yeah, so we can get your car.
Firebird. And
what?
mine. Firebird.
Shh, you're not supposed to tell them that.
Whoops.
Are you drinking bubbles? Oh, okay, you're drinking your juice. I was gonna say. Oh boy. Anyway, yeah, it's gotta go. So, hit me up on Instagram. I'll put my thingy somewhere. DM me there because it's a pain just writing back the comments on YouTube. So, I mean, if you don't have YouTube, you can always email me. That link is in the description. So yeah, let me know if you want the car or just parts. Like I said, the motor's good. I'll put one of those little card thingies up here. It'll say everything that's done to the car, motor-wise. And yeah, just everything that's done to it. Like I said, it runs, just battery's dead. I have other videos of it running, so just go back through my videos if you want to see it running and hear it run and all that. It's literally the same. It's been sitting here, so it may need a few things from sitting, but other than that, it's actually a decent car for what it is. Just kind of lost interest, as you guys can tell by lack of content on it. I mean, I got the motorcycle, we got my wife's Jeep, we got my truck, we got four-wheelers and all that, and yeah, this just taking up space now, like I said. So let me know. That's about it. I might put in the end of this video of doing something to the Jeep. I'm not 100% sure, so either stay tuned or I'll see you in the next one. Alright, so if you guys are still sticking around, I appreciate it. This is what we're going to be doing today. These are vinyl overlays for the chrome around the windows. I just got to find a pair of scissors so I can cut these, so I'm not peeling it off all one big piece. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I gotta clean this and then we'll get to it. I don't know, I think you guys can see there, but probably not. All right, I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but that this stuff was not cut right, and it wasn't sticky at all, so like it just didn't work. I'm gonna end up doing plasti dip on it because that's what I was gonna do for the badges anyway. I mean, I can get new badges, but if I take those ones off and then try to put other ones on, I'm gonna mess it up. So I'm just gonna do plasti dip. Yeah, that's it.